GoPro, the once great action camera founded by Nick Woodman in 2002, revolutionized the way people capture sports footage, extreme sports footage, and adventure footage. Unfortunately, the company has suffered some serious growing pains, but we'll get to that later. Nick Woodman, a surfer dude,
Danger is my business.
You know, a lot of people expect that maybe Mark Cutback Davis or Bob Jungle Dead Gerard would take the honors this year.
Oh, those guys are fags.
created GoPro because he wanted a better way to capture high-quality action photos and videos while surfing. In 2002, during a surfing trip to Australia and Indonesia, he realized that there wasn't a good affordable way for amateur athletes to take professional-grade action shots. He wanted a small, durable, and wearable action camera that could capture action footage. To fund the idea, he did exactly what any surfer dude would do. He started selling bead and shell belts out of his van. I wonder how that worked out for him.
Drop your silver in my tambourine.
He later got money to fund his project the old-fashioned way. He borrowed it from his parents. In 2004, he launched the first GoPro camera, a 35mm version. GoPro produced that for about a year before evolving to the smaller digital version we are familiar with today. By 2014, GoPro had gone public, reaching a valuation of $11 billion, fueled by the rise of social media and user-generated content. However, despite its early success, GoPro faced significant financial challenges in the years that followed. The company struggled to diversify its product line beyond cameras, with failed ventures such as the Karma drone.
Seeing life from the heavens, looking down, helps us be more aware of the incredible nature of our world. That's what our brand is all about, helping you capture and relive experiences that celebrate you as a human.
The company launched the Karma drone in 2016 in an attempt to enter the drone market and compete with DJI. However, shortly after the release, GoPro had to recall all units due to a major technical issue. Some drones were losing power and falling out of the sky. This recall, along with strong competition from DJI's superior drones, led to GoPro exiting the drone market in 2018, losing almost $90 million. The failure of the Karma drone contributed to a sharp drop in GoPro's stock price and financial struggles during that period. Additionally, the Chinese GoPro clone market took off. With lower prices, similar features, and brands like Yi Technology, Akaso, and SJ Cam started offering action cameras with 4K recording, waterproof capabilities, and wide-angle lenses for much less than GoPro's flagship models. Many consumers found these alternatives good enough for their needs. And while the Chinese GoPro clone companies took off, the smartphone camera industry advanced rapidly, reducing the need for dedicated action cameras. In recent years, GoPro has made a comeback by shifting its focus from hardware sales to a subscription-based model, offering cloud storage, editing tools, and exclusive discounts to users. The company has also streamlined its product lineup, catering to both professional and casual users with models like the Hero and Max series. While it no longer dominates the market as it once did, GoPro remains a respectable name in the action photography world. Unfortunately, GoPro stock has never recovered. If you invested $1,000 in GoPro shares at its initial public offering on June 25, 2014, when the stock was priced at $24 per share, your $1,000 investment would be worth a measly $32 today.